One blush only? Try a brighter, bolder blush shade. I'm wearing a Do It All liquid blush from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Always Sassy. Don't get intimidated by the bright color. It will still lightens when you set your face with powder. Apply the other side too. Blend and use your sponge to remove harsh lines. Finish your other cream products. Then let's set with powder. Apply thin layer of powder. Set your full face and do the rest of your makeup. This is the final look using only one blush product. If you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly blush, try the Vice Cosmetics Do It All Blush, available in different shades.